Hello viewers, welcome to Kalam Club Science Lessons presented by Biology Digital Buddy. Dear students, to crack National Merit Scholarship Test in 8th class, or to crack National Talent Search Exam in 10th class, or to crack PolySet to get seat into Polytechnic College after 10th class, or to crack RGUKT set to get seat into IIIT colleges after 10th class, or to crack APRJC set to get seat into APRJC colleges after 10th class, or to crack DIET set to get seat into DED colleges after intermediate, or to crack EdSet to get seat into BEd colleges in sciences after degree, or to crack group exams or any other competitive exams, you need to get grip over objective general science and objective biology. Here, Biology Digital Buddy giving you an opportunity to develop grip over objective general science and objective biology. Hope you all will utilize this opportunity. In this video from 7th class general science, we will discuss 30 fundamental questions and their answers under Super 30 series 2 from the first unit, Food for Health. What is the full form of FSSAI? Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. What are the 7 food hygiene practices prescribed by FSSAI in the form of 7 C's? Check, clean, cover, cross contamination avoided, cook, cool or chill, and consume are the 7 food hygiene practices prescribed by Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. What do we call the method of farming using biofertilizers and biopesticides? Organic farming. What do we call the food items made of grains, fruits, and vegetables grown under organic farming? Organic food. Which important nutrient do we get by eating jaggery? Iron. Which nutrients are rich in chickpea? Vitamin B and iron are rich in chickpeas. Drinking coffee or tea before and after eating food at least for 1 hour impairs the absorption of which nutrient in our body? Iron. What must be present in our diet for healthy digestion and regular bowel movements? Dietary fibers or roughages. Which minerals are rich in food grains like jowar and ragi? Calcium and iron. Which organ system of our body will damage due to eating of junk food on a regular basis? Digestive system. What is the full form of NIN? National Institute of Nutrition is the full form of NIN. In which year the NIN is founded? The NIN is founded in the year 1918. In which city the NIN head office is located? The NIN head office is located in Hyderabad. On which areas are the NIN activities encompassing widely? Food and nutrition. Which nutrient is rich in black gram? Proteins are rich in black gram. Which nutrient is rich in ghee? Fats or lipids are rich in ghee. Which nutrients are rich in jaggery? Carbohydrates and iron are the nutrients which are rich in jaggery. Which nutrient is rich in Bengal gram? Protein is the nutrient rich in Bengal gram. What do we call a diet that contains all the nutrients in required quantities for our body? Balanced diet. What do we call the disorder condition resembling Vibhanda described in Ayurveda? Constipation is the disorder condition resembling Vibhanda which is described in Ayurveda. What do we call the disorder condition caused in us due to poor diet with insufficient intake of fiber or roughages and water? Constipation. How much percent of water is present in our total body weight? In our total body weight, 70% of weight is nothing but water. Which food do we need to eat every day to prevent constipation? Fiber rich food or roughages? Dietary fibers or roughages are rich in which food items? Fruits, vegetables, leafy vegetables, germinating seeds, etc. What do we need to confirm the presence of vitamin C in given substance? Lemon, iodine solution, piece of white paper, knife and a dropper we need to confirm the presence of vitamin C in a given substance. What happens due to deficiency of vitamin K in our regular diet? Delay in clotting blood at wounds and cuts. Which deficiency disorder occurs due to the deficiency of vitamin E in our regular diet? Fertility disorders will occur due to deficiency of vitamin E in our regular diet. Which deficiency disorder occurs due to deficiency of vitamin D in our regular diet? Rickets. Which deficiency disorder occurs due to deficiency of vitamin C in our regular diet? Scurvy. Which deficiency disorders occur due to deficiency of vitamin B or B complex in our regular diet? Beriberi, fits, pellagra, scaly skin, photophobia, loss of memory, etc. are the disorders occur due to deficiency of vitamin B complex in our regular diet. These are the 30 fundamental questions and answers from 7th class General Science under Super 30 series part 2. In Super 30 series part 3, we will discuss 30 more fundamental questions and their answers in next video. Till then, wish you all the best dear children. Keep watching Kalam Club Science Lessons presented by Biology Digital Buddy. This is Meda Prasad, biology teacher, signing off now. We'll meet you in next video. Bye.